Hey guys, Forwell Products sent me a free bottle of their resveratrol with CoQ10 and Quercetin so I can check it out and create this video. I want to show you why I really love this one. Now the first thing you're going to notice about these is they come in these little easy to swallow capsules. They don't have a funny taste or aftertaste. But of course, the best part about these is you're going to get this powerful blend. Not only are you going to get 600 milligrams of resveratrol, you're also going to get 100 milligrams of coenzyme Q10, 100 milligrams of quercetin, as well as 500 milligrams of vitamin E and 500 milligrams of calcium. They're also non-GMO, made in the USA, and lab tested, which is very important. So if you're looking for a resveratrol supplement that also has CoQ10, quercetin, and other powerful ingredients, this might be perfect for you.